Ukwuani si n'Idu bịa. So igwelasi Ukwuani bụ nwa Idu, ya bụ Ukwuani bụ nwa Igbo. So onye kwulishi Ukwuani si n'Igbo bịa ọkana mgburuke. Onye kwachichi Ukwuani si n'Idu bịa akana mgburuke.
Ndị Ukwuani nọ n'ebe na efam bụ Jeremiah Chukwuka Azubike. N'ebe na-eme nwanne nwe na-akwashi
Efam bụ Juma brother, little Juma. Sanel bụ efe osese o.
Nwanne m biko nwe na ajụjụ. Weshi Ukwuani bụ Igbo. Ọfọsụsụ washi Ukwuani bụ Edo bụ Idu. Bụ inete ya asụsụ Ukwuani n'Igbo ka na-eri karị ka Idu. Teknevelo biko ka ịkara n'anya nụ anyị were ma
Ọdụma shogoniti ọdụwọ bụ otu Idu. Ọdụwọ ụmụ ọba. Obodo Idu na weshini n'Igbo bịa. Ụmụ ọba dị gele na anyị na-akpọchi eze igwe weshini na Yoruba bịa. Bele ma na arụba me ụnọ ọba arụrụ n'ọbekwuru ụnọ wabịa arụba mefọ. Idu na ụmụ ọba dị n'ebi dịga nwanne wed n'ebi elu ekwuchi ofu chekwu ediji na-ebi. Ụmụ ọba abịabeghị mmelechibeghị ofu egbata. Ibuleze ụmụ ọba wedibuleze na-ebusi ọba of so place. Idu nwaanyị onwechi ụlọ ọfọzụ ụzọ wee dịta n'ọchịchị nụ. But onye dị chịkọrọ chielebuchi eze obodo bụ ụmụ ọba. Wee na-ebi ndị ọcha agaba abịa kọwebịa na afịa bụ azụ n'Afrịka kọwebịa mgbe colonize wabịa. Onwerife fune na Idu wee chọnik wee weri bụ afịa mani ndị ọcha wee kata emekpure wabịa banye chisene ka ọba ya bụ eze. So ọdịgelekwusi n'okwu tie n'ụmụ ọba n'Idu. Okwu pụrụ abịa atọ agha. Ndị ọcha egbachi na ọgụ n'eke ụcha wee kpona ya ọgwụ Idu. Ọfọdụ ụmụ Idu dịbịa na ya kwari n'Idu nụ maka na ọsọ ndụ ọsọ agha.
ya bụ ọsọ ọkụ na-egosi agha Idu ọba.
Agha Idu na ọba. So
Okay,
ikpomkpo ndị Ukwuani obodo ndụ n'ime elekwusi weshini n'Idu nụ ya bụ akwara ote kwara obi ụnọ bido na-ebi obibi na asụ mmiri na elenu ke ọsị ife ndị amị. Idu bụ ezigbo original name. Edo bụ corrupt name. Odibelekwuchi Ukwuani original name. Kwale corrupt name. Ahaba original name. Asaba corrupt name. Oriapele original name. Sapele corrupt name. So elenu ka ife ndị adịta.
okwu kiri na-ekwe ekwe ngwa biko ka ịtụ anya ntị eze anyị na-ekwechi Idu chini na Yoruba bịa
Idu si n'Igbo.
Idu chini na Igbo bịa and asụsụ wee eyile ma n'okwu nkata anyị bechebe na ka ndị gira ka na-ekwukwa anyị na
Ife na-achọ ka ikwupụta Ukwuani asụsụ wee n'Igbo ka iyi. Asụsụ wee n'Idu. Mgbagonti atịta ọba ata ngọbara nyanya bụ ọba enuke. Omenifo Igbo na-akpọ corn ọ bụ maize. Kekwa akpa ndụ Ukwuani.
ọka.
Kekwa akpa n'Igbo.
Ọka.
Ife wakpa n'Idu bụ ọka. Ngwachachi ọzọ yemukeji achụkwụsị agba verify. Omenifo wakpa n'ishi chim marụ chim. Personal God,
Yes.
guardian angel. Nwata ọchịrị adụwo but Ukwuani na-akpa ezigbo Ukwuani ya bụ ọkụkọ Ukwuani na-akpacha ọsai ọsamanụcha nwere ọsai.
Yes.
Igbo na-akpasasa ọsai. Yamosi Idu na-akpasa ụsa. Anyị n'okwu
memere na ayọ. Okay.
So ine oyitewori.
Nne mara ị na-ekwu eziokwu ka n'ebe ndị ọkwa anyị nọ onye ahụ ife nwere anyị nọ n'ekwu. Ọ bụrụ si ekwe ewu onye ife gị n'okwu ni tinye na comment section ka anyị fụọ ka isi asha ndị mara Onye ife dị n'ihu. Ọ bụ ife dị mkpa n'ebe ụmụ Ukwuani dị ekwe mmalị bụ echi n'ụbịa.
Ọ dị mkpa na identity mara kwushi na ọmara. Ọ dị nke elekwushi Igbo mụ na Idu. Ndị Yoruba ya bụ ọba nọ na ụmụ ọba. Na-afụ ịlọ n'ọdị. Bụ Ukwuani shi n'Idu bịa. So Igbo Ukwuani bụ nwa Idu, ya bụ Ukwuani bụ nwa Igbo. So onye kwulishi Ukwuani shi n'Igbo bịa ọka na mgburuke. Onye gwachichi Ukwuani shi n'Idu bịa aka na mgburuke. Njem anụ ahụ.
Our brother from Ukwuani land said that Idu is the child of Igbo. That anyone that says Ukwuani is from Igbo did not lie. And that anyone that said that Ukwuani is from Idu did not lie. The reason why our brother said that is because so many Ukwuani people trace their ancestry to Idu land. Idu land is the present place that is being occupied by Benin Kingdom. Our brother is making our Ukwuani people to know that they are not Benin people. Igbo people are indigenous in Idu land. Igbo people are one of the first people in Idu land. And that is why you cannot tell the history of Idu without talking about Ndi Igbo. If you look at the population of Ndi Igbo that trace their ancestry to Idu land, it is more than the population of Esan people. It is more than the population of Igodomigodo people. It is more than the population of Ijaw people. When we say Ijaw people, we are talking about the Ijaw people in Edo State, not the Ijaw people outside Edo State. If you look at the map of Ukwuani land, the map of Ika land, the map of Oshimiri and Anyocha, huge population of people there trace their ancestry to Idu land. The name of those ancestors that came from Idu kingdom and settled in Ukwuani land, Oshimiri, Anyocha, and Ika land are not Bini people. They bear Igbo names. My community Ogume is called Ogume Idu. Our ancestors came from Idu land. All of them are bearing Igbo names. None of them is bearing a Bini name. The name of my own ancestor that left Idu land to our present location in Ogume is called Chime. So when we tell you that Ndi Igbo are indigenous in Idu kingdom, we are saying it because that is the fact. And our Ukwuani brother here understood it very clearly. He said that Idu came from Igbo and that Oba and his children came from Yariba land and integrated with Idu people. He said that after Oba came from Ile-Ife, that Igbo people occupied some royal positions in Oba Palace. And that is a fact. Ezechime was a member of Bini Royal Palace, not as a Bini person, but an Igbo person. Ezemu, the founder of Ubuluku and other Ubulu communities all over Igbo land, was a chief in Oba of Bini Palace. He is not a Bini man, but an Igbo man. There are so many of them, but Ezemu and Ezechime are the most popular Igbo people that are part of the Oba of Bini cabinet of chiefs. So our brother is right. Our brother said that the white people came to Idu land and the Oba of Bini accepted them. And that after some time, the white people caused an issue between the Oba of Bini and Idu people. The issue caused by the white people led to a war between the Oba of Bini and Idu people. That war led the indigenous Igbo people in Idu kingdom out from that land. So many of those Igbo people entered Ukwuani land. So many entered Ika land. So many entered Oshimiri and Anyocha land. So many of them went as far as River State. They are called Ndone people. Some of them went as far as Imo State. They are known as Oguta people. Oba in River State are Igbo people. They left from Abo in Ukwuani land to their present location. Part of Ikwere are from Ukwuani land. They trace their ancestry to Akalaka, the Igbo man that left from abroad to their present location. Ekpe people, the same thing. So if you look at the population of those Igbos that trace their ancestry to Edo land, they are so much in number. They have the biggest population of indigenous people that live in Edo kingdom. Even before the white people came to Edo land and started trading with the Oba of Benin, the Oba of Benin have been maltreating other tribes and ethnic nationalities in Edo land. The Oba of Benin have been using these people for slavery and sacrifice before the white people came. Because when the white people came, they said that Benin is the land of blood, like waiting their meat. They said that the Oba of Benin is using the inhabitants for slavery and sacrifice. When the Portuguese came, they started giving the Oba of Benin guns that he will be using to be invading the neighboring communities, capturing people and selling them into slavery. The Oba of Benin started using those weapons and started terrorizing other tribes and ethnic nationalities in Edo land and in outside Edo land. Our brother said that war between the Oba of Benin and Edo people is what they call Agha Idu Noba. We Igbos, we always talk of Agha Idu Noba. That is that war between the Oba of Benin and the Edo people. That war led so many Anioma people out from Edo land to our present location. On the Anambra state, we tell you that their ancestors came from Benin. Their ancestors are not Benin people, but indigenous Igbo people in Edo land. And that is why if you ask Onitsha people, what is the name of that their Benin father, they will start calling for you Ezechime. If you ask them, is Ezechime a Benin name? They go say no. So why are you now claiming that you are a Benin person, whereas your ancestor is not a Benin man but an Igbo man? Our brother said that his own community, that they trace their ancestry to Edo land. Say now, that Agha Idu Noba na pursue them come out from that place to their present location. Our brother said that the original name of that land called Edo is Edo, but that it was corrupted to Edo. Let me correct our brother here. Edo is not Edo. Edo is the name of that land. There was a slave serving the Oba of Benin called Oba Eware. That slave sacrificed his life to protect that Oba Eware. The name of that slave is Edo. Something led to one another and that young man, Edo, was killed. And after that, Oba Eware now said that the name of that their land called Benin is now Edo. He named Benin Kingdom Edo in order to honor that young man called Edo who sacrificed his life to save the Oba of Benin. And that name Edo is what Benin Kingdom used to name Edo states. So the name Edo have been in existence before the issue of this slave called Edo. This event took place around the 1400 AD during the time of Oba Eware the First. Benin people will tell we Ukwuani people, you Ukwuani people are not Igbo people, you are Edo people. That name Edo is the name of a slave. If you say that we Ukwuani people are Edo people, you are automatically calling we Ukwuani people slaves. Because that name Edo is the name of a slave. Why do you think that Esan people are rejecting that name Edo? They know that they are in a state called Edo State. But if you refer to them as Edo people, say they be Benin people, they go tell you, say, stop calling them Edo people, that they are Esan people, because that name Edo is the name of a slave that saved the Oba of Benin. This thing that I said now is in Benin history. Now, Benin history, I take the teach about Benin history. So, Edo and Edo are two different words. It's not a corruption. The interviewer asked our Ukwuani brother, why is it that Idu language is different from Igbo language. Our brother now answered him and told him that in Ukwuani language, Osai is another word for chi. He told him that in the southeast also, another word for chi is Osai. He then told him that what Bini people call the supreme being is Osa. We Igbos, we say Olise Buluwa. Bini kingdom say Osalobua. Osalobua is a corruption of Olise Buluwa. If you look deep into the meaning of Bini words, you will see where those words came from. Bini kingdom is a mixture of different people. Ndibo are indigenous in Edo kingdom. Esan people are there. Uroba and Isoko people are there. Igodomi people are there. Ijaw people are there. Yoruba people also came from Ile-Ife and invaded that land. They came together and formed a language called Bini. What Bini kingdom call corn is Oka. The same thing that we Igbo people call corn. What Bini people call civet, which we Igbo people call Ediabane, Bini people call it Ediabane also. What we Ukwuani people call light is Upe. What Bini people call light is Upe. What we Igbo people call servant is Odibo. What Bini kingdom call servant is Odibo. What we Igbo people call mirror is Ugagbe. What Bini kingdom call mirror is Ugagbe. What we Igbo people call fowl is Okoko. What Bini kingdom call fowl is Okoko. Bini kingdom use the Igbo for market days. Bini kingdom use Eke, which they call as Eken. They use Orie. They use Okwo. They also use Aho. In Igbo we say Eke, Olie, Afo, Nkwo. But in Bini kingdom they use Eken, Orie, Okwo, and Aho. All those things are the Igbo-ness that are found in Bini language today. What Bini kingdom call boss is Akpati. The same word that we use in Igbo land. What Bini kingdom call quarters is Ogbe. The same way we Igbos call quarters Ogbe in Igbo land. What we Igbo people call money is Ego. What Bini people call money is Ego. What we Igbos call river is Oshimili. What Bini kingdom call it is Ohimwin. What we Igbos call lion is Odom. What Bini kingdom call lion is Oduma. We Igbos call farm Ubi. Bini kingdom calls farm Obi. We Igbos call dog Nkita. Bini kingdom calls dog Ekita. We Igbos call gun Osisi or Oshishi. Bini kingdom call gun Osisi. We Igbos call skirt Mbenuku. Bini kingdom call skirt Ebuluku. There are so many words out there that we use in Igbo land, and Bini kingdom also use those same words. This is proof that Bini kingdom is a mixture of so many words. If you look into Bini language today, there are so many Esan words there. There are so many Urobanisoko words there. There are so many Ijaw words there. There are so many Igodomi words there. These people did not borrow from Bini kingdom, but it's Bini kingdom that borrowed from them, because when the other Bini came from Ile-Ife, their language is Yoruba. 200 years ago in Bini kingdom, their royal palace still speaks Yoruba language. He never tell where they start to speak Yoruba for Bini palace. Up till today, Bini people are still bearing Yoruba names. Names like Adesua. All those names are Yoruba names. Bini royal titles are all Yoruba royal titles. Title like Iyase is a Yoruba title. It's called Iyashere. But Bini people call it Iyase. Bini people came with Yoruba deities from Ile-Ife. Deities like Sango, Orumila, Eshu, Obatala, Oduduwa, Ogun, and so on. You can't find those deities in Anioma land. In the communities of those Ukwuani people, Ika, Oshimi, and Ocha people that trace their ancestry to Idu land, you cannot find those Yoruba deities there. You can't find those deities in Esa land. You can't find it in Urobanisoko land. You can't find it in Ijo land. But so many of those people will tell you that they trace their ancestry to Idu land. How come are those deities not in their new place of settlement? That is to tell you that they are not one people with Bini people. Bini people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. You see, so our Ukwuani brother is correct in his historical analysis. That is to tell you that we Ukwuani people are Igbo people, because if you look at Ukwuani dialects very well, our words and language is Igbo. Did Igbo people colonize we Ukwuani people to stop speaking Bini language? No. The language that we Ukwuani people have been speaking in Idu land since we settled in that place is the same language that we are speaking in our present location. Our Ukwuani brother said that the reason why he is saying all those history is for we Ukwuani people to know where we belong. He said that he wants Ukwuani people to know their history, their identity, and their origin. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. We are one people with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. That is what our Ukwuani brother is saying here in that video. Tell Ukwuani people to tell you the name of their Bini ancestor that came from Bini Kingdom and founded their community. They will start to mention Igbo name for you. Some of them will tell you that the name of their ancestor, he says Zemu. He says Zemu, a Bini name. No. There is no Bini prince in history called a Zemu. There is no Bini history that recorded that there is a Bini person called Ezede, Ifeloji, Abulwaka, or Dimegu, Ozoka. All these names are Igbo names. These names that I just mentioned now are names of ancestors that founded my community Ogume. The name of my own ancestor is Chime. No Bini person can interpret the meaning of these names that I just mentioned. And that is because all these names are not Bini names. All these ancestors ran away from Idu Kingdom to our present location. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people, we are not Bini people. Let's stop denying our Igbo identity. No Igbo-speaking region is the owner of that name Igbo. Every Bia-speaking people are called Igbo. Igbo means ancients, Ndebo, Ndibo. When we say that we are Igbo people, we are saying that we are one people with every Bia-speaking people worldwide. That is where we belong. We still remain Ukwuani people. Nsukka people are Igbo people. They are Nsukka people. Afikpo people are Igbo people. They remain Afikpo people. Same way we Ukwuani people are Igbo people. We remain Ukwuani people. May Chukwu bless our brother from Ukwuani land for explaining this history for our Ukwuani people to understand. Igbo bofu, Ishiewale.